for sports trading cards only. So we're going to click that there. Multiple listings from photos page. Convert photos to drafts. Skip the hassle of creating listings from scratch. Upload your photos and we'll handle the rest by using your photos to prepare drafts for you to review. Organization pays off. When uploading, select your images in the order you want them to show up in each of your listings. Tip: minimum size for photos 500 by 500 pixels, and then the last column on the right, select photo count. Begin by choosing the number of photos per listing. There's a drop down menu, so click that. It gives you two options. One, front, that's just the front of the card. Or you can pick two, front and back. Now they'll give you two photos of the front and back of the card. And I'm gonna go with the second option today, front and back. So let's click that there. And you're gonna scroll down. You see continue there. We're gonna click continue. Takes you to the upload photos page. Now select the images to upload. Once uploaded, we'll generate draft listings based on the information of the images. So upload from computers where you want to click. Because I already did the photos in advance of this video, I'm going to select photo library because that's where my photos are at, but it's okay. We'll just swipe them out of the way manually.